curious about this question.
Okay.
Have you ever called PAPS?
Have I ever trying really hard to avoid fried and like vada pav, samosa? I love it. One good thing is I hate sugar. Simple, kind, intelligent, very, very pretty. I can go on and on with all the adjectives. I eat a lot of eggs. I love eggs. Both with Disha and Sonam. In fact, what happened was the US tour. So we had so much. We were together for 18 days non-stop. Kala Jadoo ki I think zarurat nahi padti. I am not a cat person. Kafka on the Shore. Oh my God, it's amazing.
And when I saw her, it hit me. Oh my God.
बैठे बैठे बोर हुए करना है कुछ काम शुरू करो फैंटास्टिक राउंड टेबल लेकर मौनी रॉय का नाम
Oh, thank you, Stuti.
इट इज अ हाउस फुल
Yes.
एज यू कैन सी आपके सारे फैंस को इकट्ठा कर लिया हमने
Ji. How
therefore
lovely.
very proudly calling this the fantastic round table
Round table. Okay.
मेरा नाम स्तुति है
Ji.
प्यार से आप कुछ भी बुला सकते हैं
Stuti.
बांग्ला में बात भी कर
এত
सकते हैं
সুন্দর নাম আর কেন অন্য কিছু কেন রাখবো স্তুতি করে রাখবো
I love it.
हाँ.
So Moni is here, and of course she's in a room full of people who love her. आदत है ना आपको तो वैसे तारीफें मिलती हैं लोग प्यार करते हैं.
एक्चुअली आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब प्यार मिलता है तो बट आई गेट वेरी एम्बैरेस्ड विद लाइक कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स और लाइक you know I get very shy. I'm like okay thank you but yeah.
One round of introduction has of course happened with Moni.
Yes.
Now it's Moni's test. So
Okay.
यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे.
आदिश्री वेदिका संदीप दिया सिमरन
5 on 5. और लोग बोलते हैं ना अरे बंगाली लड़कियां काला जादू भी आता होगा ये भी सुना होगा आपने.
I wish but नहीं काला जादू की I think जरूरत नहीं पड़ती if you are I believe in complete surrender to God. I am
Yeah.
very religious and spiritual,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I don't think you actually need black magic when you have so much magic in your life.
How cool. So we're going to start, and I'll start with the gentleman here.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, room.
Why not? Why
All
not?
girls, but sir is here. पूछिए.
I just wanted to ask you whether you are a half glass full person or half glass empty person. What is
Half
yours?
glass full, always.
Okay.
I've always been, I think, a very happy-go-lucky person. I also truly believe whatever you focus on more grows in your life. If you focus on negativity, you will surround yourself with find yourself in situation where there is negativity. You will attract more negative people. I truly believe in life. Energy is everything. So that's why I ask all the young boys and girls to either read more, meditate, get some time. Like you start with like 5 minutes. Because if you want to attract something in your life, you have to get your energy to that level. So you can only do that if you have a lot of discipline and you know inculcate some practices in your life, like good practices.
I was very curious about this question.
Okay.
Have you ever called PAPS?
Have I ever? Of course. Why would I lie? Why would I lie? Today, in fact, at the earlier place where we went, yeah, sometimes you do it for your PR. Sometimes, but most of the times, I don't call them because they are always around Bandra area. So when you end up going somewhere and they kind of know your cars as well. But yeah, so many times, especially during if you're promoting a show or a film at airports, and anybody who says that they've never called PAPS is lying.
I love this honesty.
Seen your pictures and your stories with Disha, your friend.
Yeah.
And I admire how both of you just stay fit. So how do you do that? And if you could describe her in 3 words, what would that be?
Simple, kind, intelligent, very, very pretty. I can go on and on with all the adjectives. And fitness is a topic you should be talking to her. I honestly
Really?
don't do much.
You are just, this is blessings of
yeah,
Ma
my
Durga that
entire-
is happening.
And both sides of my family are very, very skinny. So
Okay.
it's a very genetic thing. A. B, now, yes, for the past month or so, I think I've been quite regular with my exercises. And diet is everything, honestly. When I go off the rails completely and like I now I try and have cheat days. Earlier on,
You had cheat
every
weeks.
day was only a cheat day. So it shows. It'll
Okay.
show on your body. It'll show on your face. So yeah. That's all. I don't do much about, I just try and eat home cooked meal. I'm trying really hard to avoid fried and like vada pav, samosa. I love it. One good thing is I hate sugar. So I don't like dessert.
Yeah, I mean, some people are just lucky.
Yeah.
एक तो genetically
No rasgulla, no mishti doi. I don't
Unbelievable.
like sugar. I
think
eat a lot of eggs. I love
Chalo.
eggs. Yeah.
So Dean we
Dean.
shall
Hmm.
be happy with. So since you spoke about Disha, you have friends in the industry. Do you think industry में दोस्त बनाए जा सकते हैं? Because एक general perception है कि काम करो, shoot
Of
खत्म हो,
course,
सब
सब
चले
जगह, I
जाते
think
हैं.
सब जगह friends बनाए जा सकते हैं. Doesn't if profession is never a hindrance or a benchmark of whether you can be or cannot be friends. Whether it's you're an engineer or a doctor or a reporter. I think it's one is you do not. It's like falling in love. You do not decide who you fall in love with.
Yeah.
In the same way, you cannot force friendships or not be friends with someone when you click. I think both with Disha and Sonam, in fact, what happened was the US tour. So we had so much, we were together for 18 days non-stop. So, and we really got along. So we have decided to carry forward the friendship.
On your page that you have dogs.
Yeah.
But I wanted to ask, do you like cats also?
I am not a cat person, but I love all animals. Yeah. Like few of my best friends have cats and they are very, very cute. But I am a dog person if you're asking me. Yeah.
अब इतने साल limelight में, how have you made sense of all this fame that wherever you're going, there are paps, there are people who want to meet you. Like when you look back, Coach Bihari Roy May to here.
You can take the city, you can take the girl out of the town, but you can't take the small little town out of the girl. Also, to answer your question, I think you may see all this fame and everything outside, but we all lead very, very normal lives. If you come home, it's a home.
What are you reading these days? Since you
Beach Read. It's by Emily, something Emily.
So I love it. I love actors who find time to read.
Yeah,
I remember
like that.
Vikrant Messi coming to an interview with me carrying a book. Like he carries a book. That's
Yeah,
so
I'm
cool.
also an obsessive Murakami fan, so I keep rereading them
Nice.
constantly. Last I reread was 1Q84, and then what's that book? Kafka on the Shore. These are the
Lovely.
two books that I read
Lovely.
last.
But look at him.
You're reading it?
She's so happy.
Kafka on the Shore. Oh my God, it's amazing.
Simran.
First, I want to start that you're looking amazing.
Thank you so
Okay.
much. So are
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. So my question is that when you started, there must be a time when you didn't have work.
Yeah,
Yeah.
lots of times.
So how did you stay motivated? What kept you happy?
I think I found the answer to that thankfully, very early on in my career, which was that I absolutely loved what I did and I did not want to do anything else. I also believe that everybody should not forget the fact that we are all normal human beings and we need to lead normal lives. So your profession is not your entire life. That I understood very, very early on.
I want to ask that what is the latest series or movies that you binge watched that you would like to recommend us?
I loved, it's only 4 episodes have come. What's that? Presumed Innocent. Jake Gyllenhaal on Apple TV, that. And I recently saw...
Showtime?
Showtime, she's not asking about my show. She's asking which one did you binge watch. I watched, what's the name of that anime? The Black Eye Samurai. Have you seen it?
No, but I will now.
Unreal. Like unreal.
I will now. That's the
Yeah.
shapat,
Unreal. These two. And please watch Showtime also. It's coming on the 12th July. The next 4 episodes.
Shah Rukh Khan.
He's the most charming, witty man you will ever meet.
Yeah.
It was a 7-day shoot. One of my favorite human beings, I will say, is Akshay sir.
Fever FM happening here.